right, here we go. New recording. Just left the Golden Gate Bridge. Scenic, I don't know what you call it. Rest area, plaza, tourist trap. And now we're headed 101 north. Still going north here. Going into a tunnel. Woohoo! Look at the tunnel. Pretty tunnel. We love tunnels. I should turn my headlights on. Why does every tunnel come out at a curve? Even in PA, every single tunnel has a curve going in and a curve coming out. We are going up, up, and away. God's country. Well, the whole country, the whole world says. I had to keep videoing this. This is just so amazing. God's splendor, His glory on display. And there's going to be the new heavens and new earth. And this is like, yeah. Big bang my butt. Maybe a big spoke into existence is what the bang was from the one and truly true Lord and Savior, the only Alpha and Omega, beginning and the end, the 3-in-1, the big G. Okay, I think that was probably enough of that. I was having a little bit of fun. I'm gonna just play some more music here like I did earlier while we do this beautiful whatever drive. And I'm such an idiot doing this on a phone. If a cop sees me in California on a phone like this, I am so in trouble. We just need some music and then I can be quiet. And pray for me, by the way. I need all the prayers I can get. We are zipping and whipping it. We're just going to play whatever song comes on because I'm not going to sit here and try and find the right song. We're just here about... Alright. Here comes the music. I think. Well, I thought it was. I'm not sure where it went. I don't think I ever hit play. Now it's playing. Bald guy in the car will shut up now.